Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making a very potent DIY that can help to hydrate your skin, smoothen your skin, moisturize your skin, and get rid of wrinkles. That's what we are going to be doing in today's video, so please keep watching. Let's get right into it. So guys, to make this treatment, the first thing you need is Vaseline. Get a Blue Seal Vaseline. Blue Seal is I prefer Blue Seal, but if you don't have Blue Seal, you can get any Vaseline you have, okay? Go ahead and take about 1 tablespoon of it and add it into the plate. So we will be using Vaseline because it's tripled in purified formula that locks in moisture to the skin. It also makes it an ideal product for restoring dryness and the chapped skin. It also helps to heal minor skin scrapes and burns. Vaseline moisturizes your skin, prevents diaper rash, and even helps to remove eye makeup. So you can actually use Vaseline to take off your makeup. Yes, and I'm a witness. I've been using Vaseline to prevent diaper rash, and it works very well. So the next thing to add is egg white. Egg white is also good when it comes to hydrating your skin and all that. Egg white helps to tighten and firm the skin. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg white helps to close the pores and get rid of buildups. And if you have oily skin, egg white helps to clarify pores and the hair follicles. Okay, so after adding the egg white, go ahead and mix it very well. It might seem difficult to mix, but keep mixing it. They will combine very well. Just keep on mixing it, okay? So after mixing it, this is what it will look like. Did you see? If you feel like you can mix with your hands, you can use a mixer to mix it. So after that, you go ahead and add vitamin E oil. Yeah, vitamin E oil helps to cleanse the skin by removing impurities and improving skin elasticity. Mixing vitamin E oil with egg helps to whiten the skin. So go ahead and add vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule. Anyone will serve, okay? So now I'm done mixing it. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to use this, okay guys? So right here I have the treatment with me, and this is how you use it. Wash your face. After washing your face, you go ahead. You can use brush if you have brush, but here I'll be using my hand. You go ahead and apply it on your face. This is very good if you have a dry skin. If you have a dry skin, this is very good. It will help to hydrate your skin. It will help to seal in moisture to your skin. It will help to get rid of wrinkles. It will also help to, moisturize your skin and smoothen your skin. This treatment is super effective, guys. Try this treatment at least 3 times in a week. You will begin to see your face looking smoother, looking more fresh. You will see your wrinkles fading away. This is very potent. So guys, this is how you apply it. After applying it, you allow it to dry. Have it on your face like 30 minutes or 40 minutes, depending on how long you can wait, but make sure that it dries up before you wash it out, okay? You can even have it on for more than 1 hour. The more you have it, the more the nutrients penetrates into your skin, okay guys? So that is it. Once it dries off, you can go ahead and wash your face, and after washing your face, you apply your face cream. This is very good. Did you see how the kind of, can you feel that? So now I'll go ahead and leave it for it to dry up. Once it dries up, I will wash it out and apply my face cream, okay? So guys, that is it for today. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.